Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you've encountered Windows found errors on this drive message, then watch this video for the solution. So the solution for this is very simple folks. We need to run a check disk scan. It will check the disk and it will repair any bad sectors on the disk automatically. This error is usually found on the older hard disk drives, not the newer SSD drives that come with the computer storage. So for that, what we'll do is we'll look for command prompt. Right click on command prompt, then click on run as administrator, and we'll enter the command chkdsk space /f space /r and press enter. Then we will press Y and we will enter, and it will repair any bad sectors on the drive automatically. Then click on the start button, click on the power button and click on restart, and you should no longer encounter this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.